Welcome back everyone. Sorry I haven't uploaded much this week and last week, but I've been pretty sick. But I'm starting to get better now, so we're going to get a video out. So today we're going to be unboxing this. Now this is the cheapest brushless motor I could find on the internet, or on eBay actually. And I have it for a cheap RC car that I brought ages ago, but it needs a new motor. So it's a Surpass Hobby brushless motor. I'm pretty sure it's just rebranded. I'm not sure, but let's open it up and have a look. So in the box we get this. Don't really know what it is, to be honest, but it's a 36 series brushless motor. I mean, it's packaged pretty nicely, I guess, for 50 bucks. And you got 4mm bullet connectors. It's pretty heavy, actually. It's supposed to be waterproof, but I don't know if I can see through those. Maybe those holes look like they just go straight into the can. But anyways, only one way to find out if it's waterproof, I guess. It's pretty nice, 5mm shaft. Weighs quite a bit. 2,250 kV, because I'm only going to be running 4S on the truggy that I plan to put it in. It is probably smaller, a bit small. It's bigger than what it had in it when I originally brought it, but it is only a 36mm diameter can. But it's 74 millimeters long, whereas my other one was only like 36 by 60 or something like that. It was quite small, so this should be a bit of an improvement. And it's only going to be running 4S, and the car doesn't weigh too much, so just see how it goes. That will be my next video. Anyways, we'll be putting this into the truggy and taking it out for a bash. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn the little bell on so you get notified when I upload, and I'll see you again soon.